Do you think, Mr. Raju,
Yes.
I've covered the Congress for a long time. Do you think the problem is that in the Congress, younger people feel scared to speak their mind? They let the seniors speak? Is that a kind of, that kind of thing that is acceptable behavior?
No, I don't think it's like that. I think that way the Indian National Congress is such a open-minded party. I think it's just the inhibition of the younger lot probably that prevents things from coming out. But I think everybody is pretty vocal. But I think there's always this respect to seniority and the wisdom of experience. So I guess one feels inhibited to talk too much. But yet, if it is...
3 years you've already been in parliamentary politics.
I'm not talking for myself.
Yeah,
I'm talking
yeah.
about the others.
Yeah, okay.
And of course, I think as far as I'm concerned, whenever I've had an opportunity to talk to the senior leadership, I haven't hesitated if I felt strongly about something.
You haven't.
I've always spoken to them directly whenever I felt strongly about something.
Yeah. So you don't think that it's because in the Congress, it's as you get older, only then you're taking it seriously?
No, I guess that's a matter of the opinion people have about who is speaking and the credibility that they attach.
Yes.
But I think the important thing for anybody, whether they are younger or older, is if you feel something very strongly, I think it's important to speak about it.
Yes.
And I think it's criminal if you don't speak about it.
Why is it many people are asking though that fine, great that you have fresh blood, great that you have younger people, and that the average age, even though it's gone down by a very small percentage from 65, perhaps it's gone down to 58 or something like that, the average age in the Council of Ministers. They're asking why is it that the younger people are all people from political families? Why don't we have people who have whose parents weren't in politics? They are, self-made. Your father's also a veteran politician. Why is it that all are from political families?
I don't think that the political lineage should make you suspect the commitment factor.
No, one isn't suggesting that.
Yeah, nor the wisdom of experience.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app. Fully optimized for retina display. Full screen view. Faster response time. And Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.